Assalamualaikum. A very good morning to my dear students. So how are you students? I hope you all are fine. Okay, and we have started our third chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastic, in our last class, remember? And under this chapter we are discussing about types of synthetic fiber, that is the nylon, the rayon, the polyester and the acrylic. Okay, and I told that the nylon is prepared by coal and the rayon is prepared by wool pulp, and the polyester is synthetic fiber, and the acrylic is artificial wood, it is prepared by artificial wood. And the nylon has a main feature, that is it is stronger than a steel, which means nylon is nothing but fiber, right? But it is stronger than steel. How? Let us see. नायलॉन इज नथिंग बट फाइबर, ठीक है, बट इट इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ स्टील, ठीक है. नायलॉन इज अ सिंथेटिक फाइबर, इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम कोल्ड वाटर एंड एयर. एज आई सेड, इट इज अ सिंथेटिक फाइबर विच मीन्स इट इज मैन मेड, ठीक है. बट simultaneously I am saying that it is prepared from cold water and air. These are the natural resources. You will tell that the ma'am, it is a natural resource, it is prepared by the natural resources, so it is also a natural fiber. No, but not. Nylon is synthetic fibers, because this cold water and air we will not get from plants naturally. We will not extract from plants and animals. We have to we have to take this raw material and we have to create this nylon. So it is a synthetic fiber, and it was first fully processed synthetic fiber, and it became popular during Second World War. Nowadays nylon is replaced by silk in most hazardous articles such as stocking. Now, but in olden days the nylon is very famous during Second World War, but nowadays it was replaced by silk. Silk is trending in those days, in these days, ठीक है. And how is nylon made? Nylon is a polymer made up of chemical units called polyamides. So nylon is also a polymer. It is made by chemical units. That units are nothing but polyamides. These polyamides made with polymers, hexamethyl diamine and adipic acid. This all together makes to form a polyamides, ठीक है. Solid chips of this polyamides are melted and forced to a heated spinneret which has very thin holes, ठीक है. Which means the solid chips, as you know, chocolate chips will come, right? So that is solid. So here the solid chips of polyamides are melted. They are forced to melt in heat spinneret. Spinneret means which is जाली के जैसा रहता, उस पर small holes रहते, तो उसके ऊपर ये solid chips को रख के, solid polyamide chips को रख के क्या करते, melt कर देते, ठीक है. And the size of the shape of the holes changes the characters of the resulting fibers. So of melt करने के बाद क्या होता, वो change हो जाता, it will change its shape, structure, okay, and it will show his nature. And after getting cool, the fiber solidified as it cools and can be spun and woolen. बाद में cool होने के बाद उसको spun करते हैं और woolen में convert करके एक roll पे threads बना के बेच देते, ठीक है. By like this we will prepare the nylon. Have you ever heard a crackling sound while you are wearing of certain types of clothes, or did you see sparks in them when in dark? It happens mostly in winter, as you can see, as you all have observed in winter season, when you are taking off your clothes or something, or you are covering the blankets or something bantas, then you will sometimes it was like shock and it will sparks like a light and it will create a crackling sound. How it is that possible? This is due to the static electricity which is present in nylon. It is due to static electricity, ठीक है. Mostly this can be observed in winter season, students. I hope you all have observed such type of things. So nylon fiber is strong. It is a strong, elastic and light in weight. Cloths made up of nylons are lustrous and easy to wash. Lustrous means nylon से cloths जो बनते हैं वो shiny रहते, खूबसूरत रहते और easy to wash. इसीलिए so it has become very popular, ठीक है. Nylon does not absorb water. In fact, it explains many of its uses. वो nylon पानी को absorb नहीं करता, thread के जैसा नहीं रहता, वो fabric ही रहता, लेकिन वो wire like fabric रहता, तो वो thread को वो वाटर ऑब्जर्व नहीं होता, वाटर रेसिस्टेंसी। नायलॉन की एक बड़ी खासियत है वो वाटर रेसिस्टेंसी है, विच मीन्स इट वोंट ऑब्जर्व वाटर, इट इज वाटर रेसिस्टेंसी। एंड ईच इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक इज ईजी क्रिएटेड इन नायलॉन फैब्रिक। सो वो वाटर रेसिस्टेंस ऑब्जर्व नहीं करता, सो ईजीली स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वो कैच कर लेता है नायलॉन फैब्रिक, ठीक है। इट ऑल्सो ईजीली कैचेस फायर, सो वो फायर को भी आसानी से कैच कर लेता है। सो वी शुड नॉट वेयर नायलॉन क्लॉथ्स वाइल कुकिंग, वेल्डिंग, इन वेल्डिंग शॉप, इन किचन, वाइल कुकिंग, वर्किंग नियर अ फायर और यूजिंग हैवी मशीनरीज। यहाँ ऐसे जगह पे हमें नायलॉन क्लॉथ्स वेयर नहीं करना, क्योंकि वो फायर जल्दी कैच कर लेता है और फायर पहल जाता है, ठीक है। So why do we wear apron during cooking or working near the fire? Because this nylon fabric catches fire. So while cooking we have to wear apron, while working near the fires also, ठीक है। मेनी आर्टिकल्स दैट वी यूज़ इन आवर डेली लाइफ और मेड अप ऑफ नायलॉन। सो बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स मीन्स बहुत सारे थिंग्स हम लोग जो डेली यूज़ में करते हैं उसमें नायलॉन मिक्स है, जैसे कि टूथ ब्रशेस, स्प्रैकल्स और द रोप्स, फिशिंग नेट्स, टेंट्स, sarees, stockings and socks, even socks and seat belts in car. You have observed that the seat belts and the car accessories that are also made up of nylon, students, and the sleeping bags and curtains, etc. All these are made up of nylon. As you can see in this scenario, these sarees are made up of nylons. These brush spackles are made up of nylon, and these cloths are made up of nylon. And the ropes means रस्सी भी nylon से ही बनती। तो ये articles made up of nylon हैं, ठीक है। Can you add some more in these articles in the list? Yes, we can add. That is, the nylon is replaced wool as the fabric used in making carpets. As you can see in this scenario, the nylon वो replace हुआ था wool से और fabric carpet में बदलने के लिए। Nylon is also used in making parachutes. As you can see here, when the drivers drive in the air, right, on the time they use parachute that are also made by nylon. Rock climbing are also used in nylon ropes to climb mountain. Rock climbing, जब पहाड़ पे चढ़ते तो ये जो रस्सी हम लोग यूज करते ropes and the rock climbing में this nylon helps very helpful, ठीक है। It is used in making swimsuits. When you swim, you wear some swimsuits, right, that are also made by nylon. And sheer hatcheries, snails, umbrella, clouds, dress materials, car accessories and car tires, these all etc. are made up of nylon. So nylon plays an important role in our daily life, students. It is, isn't it? Right, yes, because many of the articles which is made up of nylon we will use in our daily life, like brushes, cloths, ropes. It is all our daily needs, ठीक है। So it is very important. तो why nylon is preferred to make a good parachute or a climbing? क्यों ये nylon strong है और क्यों हम लोग parachute और climbing में nylon ropes और nylon का ये use करते हैं? Let us see that. How strong is nylon? क्योंकि nylon strong है compared to other rayon, polyester and acrylic. Nylon was strong, so we will use it. So how it is strong? Let us see. Take an iron rod. As you can see over here, we have to take an iron rod with a clamps, and we have to take cotton, woolen, nylon, silk and silk threads. तो ये पूरे सिल्क का ये जो पूरे फैब्रिक है वो एक बार लेके हम लोग को एक्सपेरिमेंट दिस एक्टिविटी वी हैव टू डू. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टाई cotton thread to the stand freely, so that it can be freely, as you can see here, freely hanging on it. तो फिर इसको भरने के बाद क्या करना है, ये पैन को इसको भरने के बाद कॉटन थ्रेड से उसके बाद थोड़ा 10 ग्राम से वेट उसके ऊपर ऐड करते जाना, जब तक करना कि तब तक ये टूट कर ये ब्रेक होकर पैन नीचे नहीं गिर जाता. और जहाँ जितने ग्राम्स पे वो नीचे गिर जाता तो वो रेटिंग नोट कर लेके यहाँ पे हमें इस बॉक्स में लिखना है. फर्स्ट हम कॉटन थ्रेड लेके स्पैन रख के उसमें वेट करके फिर उसको ब्रेक होए तक वेट डालेंगे, फिर उसके बाद नोट कर लेंगे. Same in the similar manner we will do with woolen thread as well as silk thread and as well as nylon thread. We have to do this and we have to apply these values. And what we will observe after repeating this cotton thread, woolen, silk, nylon with this experiment, with this activity, what will you observe? You will observe that from overall all these threads, the nylon is very strong. It is very strong. ठीक है? It is very strong and it can resist more weight compared to cotton, woolen and silk. By this we have concluded that the nylon fiber is stronger than a steel as well as the cotton, wool, silk and other threads. It is very stronger. ठीक है. So by this activity we have completed our topic, that is nylon. So while nylon में क्या पढ़े हम लोग, let us just recall it. Nylon is also used for rock climbing. It is nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel and it is water resistant. As I said, it won't absorb water. It is water resistant, so it is very strong and it is lustrous, मतलब colorful रहता, sparkling रहता and easy to wash. So it is very famous in those days and we use many articles in our daily life like socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, cars, accessories, seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. It is also used in by nylon. ठीक है. And it is prepared from coal, water and air. As I said, these are raw materials and we have prepared nylon by this coal, water and air. By the help of coal, water and air we will prepare nylon. And nylon fabric is strong, it is elastic and it is light in weight. ठीक है. And the nylon is man-made fiber. It is a man-made fiber. It is prepared by raw material, that is coal, water and air, but no, it is not natural fiber. It is artificial fiber. It is synthetic fiber only, because we won't get this from directly from plants or animals. We have to prepare this by this raw materials. So it is an man-made fiber and it is made without using natural raw materials. Only we use these materials without using natural raw materials. We will prepare this nylon. ठीक है. In today's topic we have discussed about this nylon. Is it clear to all? So students, by this nylon we have completed this nylon. In our later class we will discuss about the rayon and the polyester and acrylic, inshallah. ठीक है. And students, this is your today's homework. If possible, take a screenshot and do your homework and submit your homework by the time in your groups. ठीक है. If possible, I will send this images also. First of all, try to take a screenshot and do your homework. ठीक है. Thank you students. Have a nice day.